Did you know that kissing relieves stress, it reduces anxiety, and it also soothes headache? Welcome to today's episode of Intimacy, and I'll be talking to us extensively on how to kiss. Yes, you heard me right, how to kiss. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere because it promises to be very, very much informative. Welcome back, and if you are just joining us, we are talking about how to kiss. I will be giving us some very few points on how to kiss. Before you start, please make sure you have a very good breath. Maintain your hygiene, because the truth is no man or a woman actually wants to kiss a smelly mouth. The first point is you start at the lips. Yes, the lips is a very, very sensitive part of the human body. Avoid using much tongue when you're kissing. Fine, you could use your tongue to caress the lips round. Yes. A second point is kissing is an art. Yes, kissing is an art. The truth is, learn how to explore when you're kissing. It doesn't have to be the lips all the time. Yes, it doesn't have to be the lips all the time. There are so many parts of the human body that are very, very sensitive. The ears, yes, it is sensitive. The navel, the truth is, when you're explorative in your kissing, because it is an art, when you're explorative in your kissing, you never can tell. You might actually find out some turn-up points in the body of your partner. That's the truth. Well, that's one way to find out how to turn on your partners. Kissing, to kiss them on their ass, yes, your woman's ass, or even your husband. You never can tell. The balls, you can kiss the balls too, because kissing is an art. Try and be playful. Don't take it too serious. It's not something serious. Then, my last point, sneak up on your partner from behind. He might be lying down, he might be watching TV in the parlor, in the room, anywhere. Just hug him from behind. Kiss him. You see this neck? It's very, very, very sensitive. Be it a man or a woman. You hug him from behind. You kiss him, peck him on the neck, on the shoulders, on the arm, his palm. Yes, do that. Because the truth is, you never can tell. From there, something might happen. You and I know what that is. Anyways, I hope you actually learned one or two things about how to kiss. I am your host, Bona Efwa. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, IreTV. Yes, and also follow us on all our social media platforms popping up on your screen. You can also follow me on Instagram at official Bona Efwa. Don't miss our next episode of Intimacy, because the next topic is going to be hot. Thank you so much.